take a look at BTR Soosung. 안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. 네, BTR Soosung 어떤 회사인가요?
예, 저희 회사는 권상기를 만드는 회사인데 지금부터 이제 그 새로운 AMR 장비, AI 로봇 시대에 맞춰서 새로운 AMR 장비를 도입해서 연구 개발하고 있는 회사입니다.
아, 네. 오늘 어떤 거 준비하고 나오셨나요?
저희 제품은 지금 4종류가 일단 나왔는데 다양한 라인업을 구성하고 있고요. 지금 저기 움직이는 제품들은 자율적으로 라이다 기반으로 움직이고 있는 지게차라고 생각하시면 편할 것 같습니다.
Right. So they have a big lineup of products today. They brought autonomously driving forklifts.
Yes.
That's what you have here today. Could we go and take a look?
Yes.
Do you want to show us? Okay.
Yeah, let me show.
Let's go.
이 제품 같은 경우는 제품 중량 자체가 3톤 정도 나가고요. 1.5톤의 무게가 나가는 물량들을 이렇게 떠갖고 3m까지 올려줄 수 있는 제품입니다.
Okay. So it can lift them up to 3 meters, you said, and it has 3 tons. Is that
Yes.
correct? All right. So we can see you doing that right now. All right.
Yes.
이 제품의 좀 특별한 점 어떤 거예요?
이 제품의 특별한 점은 자율적으로 자기의 위치를 찾아갈 수 있고요. 포크 높이에 맞춰 있는 어떤 문제점들을 빨리 파악하고 스캔해서 AI적으로 자기가 문제 해결을 하는 것이 가능한 제품입니다.
Okay. So what's special about this is that it can not only drive by itself, but also if it finds that there is any problem, for example, it lifts up its fork and then it finds any problem there, then it can really analyze this problem and usually solve that.
Yes.
Okay, that's pretty fascinating. All
Thank you.
right. What else can we see here?
Excuse me?
또 어떤 거 볼 수 있나요, 여기서?
이 제품은 또 이 구조는 거의 다 비슷하고요. Every product is the same
Okay.
functions, but different is height
Uh-huh.
and the lift height and moving the weight is different. So this kind of product has no counterweight, but he can lift up the 1.5 tons, and that lift can lift up the 3 meters and 1.5 tons. The same, but its function is different. This is lower level focusing. This is a height level.
All right.
More higher leveling is lift is fine to concentrate it.
Yeah, so they all use the same technology basically, but they are meant for different tasks.
Yes.
That's correct, right?
Yes.
I can also see one over there that's like that looks quite different. What is this?
This is same functions, but everything is same. But it's different is this product has no pork,
Yeah.
but he can get inside the base and turn on the lift up the other barrette type. So if you hold the 2-hole type barrette, is getting inside with the pork, but he is
So it basically slips underneath and then lifts up
Yes.
the whole
and
this
lift
top.
up the-
Okay. That's interesting. Okay, so they all have the same technology. They work in slightly different ways, and they're meant for different tasks.
yes.
That's how. Okay, I see. That's cool. Let me ask. In what markets are you right now? Are you focusing on the Korean market? Are you focusing on other markets?
Now we are focusing in Korean market. So our great purpose is worldwide market, but
Alright.
now we are focusing the Korean market.
Okay,
Yes.
so Korea first,
Yes.
and then hopefully the world later.
Yes.
Then let me ask you one last question. What is coming up in the next couple of months or the next year? What can people look forward to?
Most of people find the new generation type the forklift. I think so, but now world focusing is AI. So we are related with the AI. So and we want to develop the more conditioning and more efficient product with related AI with forklift.
Okay, so more AI, more efficiency.
Yes.
That's what's coming up next for you guys. Thank you so much for the interview, and we hope to see more from you soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
감사합니다.